Bazzite or Linux Mint, two completely different approaches to Linux. One's built for gaming, the other's built for stability. Let's figure out which one you actually need. Quick like and subscribe before we dive in. Linux Mint is a traditional desktop distro based on Ubuntu LTS, stable, familiar, beginner-friendly. It's designed for general computing with 5 years of support. Bazzite is a gaming-focused immutable system built on Fedora Atomic, pre-configured for gaming with Steam, drivers, and gamepad support out of the box. Here's where they actually differ. System philosophy. Mint uses a traditional mutable file system. You can install anything, customize everything, break things if you want. Bazzite is immutable. The core system is locked down and updates atomically, which means you can roll back changes, but you're more limited in deep customization. Hardware and driver support. This is critical. Mint is based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with kernel 6.8 solid but conservative. New GPUs or hardware from the last year might need manual driver installation. Bazzite ships weekly updates with the latest Mesa drivers, kernel patches, and native support for AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA GPUs, including proprietary drivers pre-installed. If you're using brand new hardware, Bazzite will support it months faster. Gaming setup on Mint, you install Steam, configure Proton, install game mode, set up controllers, it works, but you're doing it manually. Bazzite includes Steam gaming mode, Lutris, Proton Up QT, game scope, and controller firmware updates pre-configured. For frame timing and VRR support, Mint users report issues on X11, while Bazzite defaults to Wayland with better frame pacing. Daily desktop use. Mint excels here. It's intuitive, polished, and familiar, perfect for web browsing, office work, coding, and media consumption. Bazzite can do all of this too, but its immutable design means installing traditional software requires Flatpaks or containers. If you need specific developer tools or niche software, Mint is more flexible. Stability versus updates. Mint prioritizes stability 5-year LTS support, means you get security updates but not major version bumps until you choose to upgrade. Bazzite prioritizes performance. You get cutting-edge software but with more potential for bugs. However, Bazzite's atomic rollback feature means if an update breaks something, you can boot into the previous version instantly. Bottom line, if you want a reliable, flexible desktop OS where gaming is secondary, choose Linux Mint. But if gaming is your priority and you want zero setup with the latest drivers and performance tools, Bazzite is the better choice, especially for newer hardware. That's the real difference between Bazzite and Linux Mint. Which one are you running? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.